Ready to treat yourself on Amazon but unsure how much is loaded on that Visa gift card? Don't worry, we're going to make checking your balance a breeze, so you can shop with confidence. First, head over to Amazon.com on your computer or open the Amazon app on your phone or tablet. Once you're there, hover over Account and Lists in the top right corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu. In the Account and Lists drop-down menu, find and click on Gift Cards. This will take you to the Amazon gift card section. Now, look for the Redeem a Gift Card button. It's usually located near the top right. Click it. You'll now see a spot to enter your gift card claim code. Carefully scratch off the protective layer on the back of your Visa gift card to reveal the claim code. Type this code exactly as it appears into the provided field. Double check before you submit to avoid any issues. After you've entered the code, click the Apply to Your Balance button. Amazon will then instantly show you the remaining balance on your Visa gift card. It will also be applied directly to your Amazon account for future purchases. That's it. Now you know exactly how much you have to spend. Happy shopping on Amazon and enjoy using your Visa gift card. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tips.